Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! It's my morning routine guys. Nag-exercise ako. It's a morning exercise, running, walking, and of course, jumping jacks. Good morning everyone! It is for 40 minutes running, okay? So, I will do more. I will run more, of course, and maganda yung panahon ngayon. We have a good weather now. Look at that, guys. It's a good weather. No typhoon, no wind. It's calm. Everything is calm, guys. And yeah, welcome to my vlog. And of course, I would like to say thank you to all my super sticker sender, to all my people sender. Thank you so much. And of course, to all my super chats. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To all my Wonder Love family, thank you so much. And God bless you all, guys. Pagod na ako. I'm just a bit tired, but I can do more. Yes, I can do more. Look at that sweat. See? I can do more, guys. So, welcome here. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. I like the weather today. And I really like it. I enjoy this kind of weather. See? Okay. Let's go. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. I love you all.